Hey, welcome back to the Food Good channel. Today we're making pasticciata, a delicious and easy baked pasta dish. The name comes from the Italian word for messed up, and you'll see why. It's simple, rustic, and absolutely delicious. Best of all, it's much easier to make than lasagna. Let's get started. For this family recipe, here's what you'll need. 500 grams of tagliatelle or fettuccine, 150 grams of finely chopped Parmigiano Reggiano or Grana Padano cheese, 600 milliliters of cooking cream. We probably won't use all of it and there'll be a little bit left over. 600 grams of pasta sauce. We use Bolognese, you use whatever you prefer. If you want to see our Bolognese recipe, click on the link. 500 grams of shredded pizza mix cheese. That has mozzarella in it, cheddar and parmesan. Divide the pizza cheese into 4 bowls, 3 with 130 grams each and 1 with about 110 grams for the topping. Preheat a fan-forced oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's start by cooking our pasta. Add the tagliatelle or fettuccine to boiling salted water. Remember, the water should be as salty as the sea. Stir the pasta continuously for the first 4 minutes or so the pasta doesn't stick together. Keep stirring every minute or so after that. Cook the pasta until al dente, then turn off the heat and leave the cooked pasta in the pot with the pasta water. Don't strain it, otherwise the pasta will stick together. Now let's move on to layering our pasticciata. Using a standard baking dish, start by adding a thin layer of sauce to the bottom of the dish. This prevents the pasta from sticking. We'll be making 3 layers in total. For each layer, use 2 large grabs of pasta with a pair of tongs. Spread the layer of pasta evenly. Sprinkle 1 portion, 130 grams of the shredded cheese, evenly. Drizzle about 150 milliliters of cream. Add about 2 scoops of sauce using a shallow ladle and spread evenly. Sprinkle a generous portion of Parmesan cheese. Repeat this process for a total of 3 layers. The final layer might be a little messier, but that's okay, it's pasticciata. Now for the topping, spread the last portion of shredded cheese evenly over the top. Drizzle or dollop some cream. If you like it messy, add all the remaining cream. I tend to have a little bit of cream left over. Add the remaining sauce and sprinkle the last of the Parmesan. Bake uncovered on a lower oven tray for about 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once it's out of the oven, let it rest for about 10 minutes. This helps it firm up so you can slice it neatly. If you like it a little saucier, then serve it immediately. I usually cut it into 16 portions, but if you prefer larger servings, cut it into 12 instead. One portion with salad and bread makes a perfect meal. And that's it, my family's pasticciata recipe. Give it a try, tell me what you think. Also, if you've made your own version of pasticciata, tell us in the comments below what your recipe is. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Buon appetito. My name's Andrew from Food Good. Thanks for watching.